Hello everyone, welcome to TVZ. Today we will learn about while loop, which is another looping statement. So while loop is also similar to for loop, where in while loop we will have a true boolean condition, whether if it is true the set of block works, if it is false it goes back and it will work. If it is true it will work and it again come back and check the condition again. If it is true it works, it goes on, it keep looping until the condition is false and then execute the next line. This is basically similar to for loop. Now let's see a program to print uh, numbers which user have entered. Like if user enter 10, we will print from 1 to 10 or something like that. So for that we will start with header file void main. I have two variables which is n and I have assigned I equal to 1. I have cleared the screen. I am printing to enter the number and I am taking the number which user is inputting, and this is the while loop. And the while loop syntax is like while, inside braces you will have the condition, and then inside this braces you will have all the statements, and then you have to close the while loop braces. So what this does is, first the compiler checks if this condition is true. If this condition is true, it comes and print the whole statement and again go back, and if the condition checks the condition, if it is true again print until the condition is false, it keep printing. Imagine you have made a small mistake in this, the while loop will go on infinitely, so you can't stop it. So you have to take care of that and give the condition properly. So in this I have given while I is less than equal to n, so our I is 1 and n will be the number inputted by the n will be the number given by the user. So imagine I have n as 10 and I is 1. If I is less than equal to n, so this is true, and if it is true I go and print the value of I, so the value will be 1, and then I am incrementing the I with 1. So in for loop we used to do it on the for loop syntax. On the top we used to do give I plus plus as increment. So here we are giving an increment as I plus equal to 1. This is something same as I equal to I plus 1. So this is equal to I plus equal to 1. The both are similar ways, you can write it either way. And then I am incrementing the value of I, and then again the compiler goes checks it, again it will be 2, it is less than 10, so it keeps on checking, and when the value of I becomes 11, so it becomes false and it come out of the while loop. So we will save it as .c, and then we will compile it and then we will just run it, and I'll give the value 10. See, we have printed all this through the while loop. If I give the value of 5, there you go, you get it. If I give the value 100, there you go, I got it till 100 here. You can see that. So that's it with while loop. Thank you.